Hi lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my space. So guys, this is after doing my okra gel hair treatment. The okra gel is still on my hair, and right now I want to wash my hair. I want to show you all my wash day routine. Okay, this is an updated wash day routine. All right, so guys, I'll first of all take out the last twist that I made, so that I'll be able to rinse my hair very well. I'm just rinsing out the okra gel right now. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section for me. Okay, so guys, I also made the black soap shampoo that I'm using. The video is already up on the channel in case you want to check that out. This black soap shampoo can darken your hair strands and also treat dandruff and itchy scalp. So guys, I'll be washing my hair two times because I haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks, so my hair is very dirty. Like when I scratch my scalp, I could my nails will be filled with those whitish stuff. That's to show you that my scalp is already getting clogged. So here I am rinsing out the first wash, and I am pouring in my black soap shampoo again. You can see how foamy the shampoo is. It has a lot of latter in it, like it lathers so well. So this is the second wash, and you can see that the second wash is more foamy than the first wash. This is a sign that my hair has become very clean. So after washing my hair properly for the second time, I'll go ahead and also rinse it off. Right now I am done washing my hair, and can you see my coils? Let me know the hair type that I have. Okay, I think the back of my hair is more of 4C, but the center of my hair, like the front center of my hair, is more of 4B. Okay, because it is way longer than the other parts of my hair, but they are the same length. Can you see what I'm talking about? They are the same length, but the center of the front of my hair has a looser coils than the back and the two sides of my hair. So guys, right now I am done with washing my hair, and it's time for me to deep condition my hair, and I'll be using the Mega Growth deep conditioner. This is my first time of actually using this deep conditioner. The deep conditioner I used to use before is Elan deep conditioner, but I've decided to try out this Mega Grow deep conditioner. And guys, I found out that this deep conditioner has a lot of sleep. Like it has a lot of sleep, and I like it for that. Okay, so this is how I properly massage my hair with a deep conditioner. After applying the deep conditioner, I finger detangle my hair, because while I was doing the okra gel treatment, I used a comb, and I don't want to use a comb again to avoid so much breakage and all that. Even though this deep conditioner has a lot of sleep and I may not experience any form of breakage, but I still want to minimize the amount of time I use combs on my natural hair, okay, to avoid mechanical damage. So guys, right now I'm still applying the conditioner on my hair. As you've seen, I also focus at the ends of my hair. You know, that is the oldest part and the driest part of the hair, and I can really feel it on my palms that the ends of my hair are really dry. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also drop a comment for me in the comment section as well. Let me know how many times you wash your hair in a month. Do you wash your hair weekly, bi-weekly, or once in a month? Let us know in the comment section. Okay guys, can you see my coils? You see the coils at the front part of my hair is very loose. Like I have a very loose coil at the front center part of my hair. Yeah, right now I am done with deep conditioning, and I'll also apply the deep conditioner on my edges and also the nape of my neck, just to make sure that all my hair is coated with the deep conditioner. After that, I'll wrap up my hair with a plastic bag and let it sit on my hair for 15 good minutes. So guys, after 15 minutes, it is time to wash out the deep conditioner out of my hair. I will not be taking down this twist because I really don't want to get all the deep conditioner out of my hair. I'm just doing a very light rinse to remove most of the deep conditioner, but not all. That is why I won't be taking down this twist. So guys, right now I'm done with washing my hair, and in the next video I'll be sharing with you all my moisturizing routine. Please do well to check out the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in my next upload. Bye.